How many moons does Pluto have? Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. This moon system might have formed by a collision between Pluto and another similar-sized body early in the history of the solar system. Charon, the biggest of Pluto's moons, is about half the size of Pluto itself, making it the largest satellite relative to the planet it orbits in our solar system. It orbits Pluto at a distance of just 12,200 miles, 19,640 kilometers. For comparison, our moon is 20 times farther away from Earth. Pluto and Charon are often referred to as a double planet. Charon's orbit around Pluto takes 153 hours, the same time it takes Pluto to complete one rotation. This means Charon neither rises nor sets, but hovers over the same spot on Pluto's surface. The same side of Charon always faces Pluto, a state called tidal locking. Pluto's other 4 moons are much smaller, less than 100 miles, 160 kilometers, wide. They're also irregularly shaped, not spherical like Charon. Unlike many other moons in the solar system, these moons are not tidally locked to Pluto. They all spin and don't keep the same face towards Pluto. Pluto's moons are named for other mythological figures associated with the underworld. Charon is named for the river Styx boatman who ferries souls in the underworld, as well as honoring Charlene, the wife of discoverer James Christie, who was nicknamed Char. The small moon Nix is named for the goddess of darkness and night, who is also the mother of Charon. Hydra is named for the 9-headed serpent that guards the underworld. Kerberos is named after the 3-headed dog of Greek mythology, known as Fluffy in the Harry Potter novels. And Styx is named for the mythological river that separates the world of the living from the realm of the dead.